The Primus Elite display system has the ability to display a graphical moving map. The map is capable of displaying nav aids, airways and airspace boundaries, geopolitical boundaries, flight plan information, uplink graphical weather, and much more. The pilot can choose the items to be displayed on the map using the CCD and various drop-down menus. The map display features a control bar that contains menu selections and drop-down menus that can be used to select the display characteristics of the map. To access the map display, push the Map shortcut button on the CCD or push the Menu button and select Map from the on-screen menu. The Map Data drop-down menu in the control bar is used to select the items to be displayed on the map display. A checkbox appears next to an item when it is selected for display. Selecting airports displays the geographical locations of airports on the map. To reduce clutter on the display, airports are categorized as major airports and minor airports. An airport is classified as a major airport if at least one of the runways is 4,000 feet or greater in length. Depending on the selected map range, major airports are displayed with runways and ILS feathers when appropriate. ILS feathers are displayed for runways in the navigation database that have ILS approaches associated with them. Airports that do not have any runways at least 4,000 feet in length are classified as minor airports. Minor airports are displayed with the airport identifier and symbol, but do not display runways. Selecting VOR from the Map Data drop-down menu displays all VHF nav aids, including VORTAX, DME stations, and TACANs. VORs are displayed using a nav aid symbol and station identifier. Similar to VORs, selecting NDB displays NDBs along with their identifiers on the map display. Intersections can be displayed on the map display by selecting Intersections. Intersections on the map are displayed using the intersection symbol and name depending on the map range. Airways can also be selected for display on the map. Airways are differentiated by high and low airways. The airway identifier can be displayed by highlighting the airway. If an airway segment consists of multiple airways, all the identifiers are displayed in one label box. Airspace boundaries can be selected for display by selecting Terminal Airspace or Special Use Airspace. At any time, selecting Aircraft Center on the control bar centers the map display on the present position of the aircraft. Selecting the Primary Weather button displays the Uplink Graphical Weather drop-down menu. This menu is used to control the display of graphical weather on the map display. Graphical weather is an option. Selecting the Map Mode button toggles the map display orientation between north up and heading up. Pushing the Map Mode button automatically centers the aircraft on the map. The default setting is heading up. The map mode changes to fixed when the mode is heading up and the aircraft is no longer centered on the map. The previous and next buttons on the control bar allow the pilot to step through the flight plan waypoints on the map display. The Hot Map button is displayed on the right edge of the control bar and is labeled with a globe. Pushing the Hot Map button brings up a map of the world for easy repositioning of the map display. This feature makes it easy to quickly reposition the map when needed. The Hot Map display is automatically deactivated if the cursor is moved away from the hot map for more than 2 seconds. The route and waypoints of the active flight plan are displayed graphically on the map. The current to waypoint is always displayed in magenta, while the other waypoints are displayed in white. The FMS data display contains information regarding the active FMS source, distance to the active waypoint, and waypoint name. The map also displays holding patterns. On some aircraft, procedure turns are also displayed. The map display on the Primus Elite display system improves a pilot's situational awareness and reduces pilot workload by providing quick access to relevant flight information. This video has been a basic overview of the map display on the Primus Elite display system. For a detailed description, refer to the Honeywell Pilot's Guide or Manufacturer's Guidance.